Video, you know how to install a TV console step by step, so do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this is the TV console that will be recreated, and this is the empty space we'll be working on. So the first thing we are doing is putting the console, very important, and the next thing is cutting a board in which we're going to put the shelves. From the video, you could see that there were shelves attached to the TV console design. So now there are two shelves and which we're fixing it right now. So the next thing we're going to do is to start installing the fluted panel. So we're using glue in this sense, not clips. So we have started installing the panels, and you can see how we are measuring to know how many more we need to be able to fit into this space. So the next thing we did was to put the board carrying the TV, and we had to put lights in each and every one of them. You can see that all the shelves has been lit up with the lighting. Very, very beautiful. So you can see at the back of the board, this is very important to give your TV console that illumination that it needs. So we're trying to finish up by installing the fluted panels, and we are just doing the final touches by putting the TV. So look at how it turned out, from putting the console, the shelves, the panels, the board carrying the TV. Look at how everything turned out. With this video, you can be able to know how to do TV console, even if you're a furniture maker or just a homeowner looking at how to be able to vibe up their home by calling people to help them. So now, what do you think? How did we do? Look at both of them. Thank you.